Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can unlock the Inferno Shard and grow a garden game app Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is Campfire Update Part 3 if I'm not mistaken, and there is a new event here. I don't know what it is called, but from this event, you will get shard, and the Inferno Shard can give your pet Inferno Mutation. Okay, you can talk to the Campfire Keeper for more information. Okay, and I'm going to show you guys how you can get the shard. It says here, unlock the Inferno Shard by completing bear quest. So you're going to go to the bear right here, and you're going to submit a requested fruit or plants. For example, now he's asking for the flower plants. Okay, and oh, sorry. And if you want to get the Inferno Shard, you need to submit 50 plants, and you will get 50 Campfire Seed. Okay, I still need 19 plants. Okay, and you will also get the exotic seed pack after you complete 50 plants submitted. Okay guys, and that's how you can unlock the Inferno Shard and grow a garden game app Roblox Summer Camp Part 3 update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.